Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing these are centerpieces for Anastasia's 1 year birthday party, and the theme was Flintstones, and this is a house, and these are all a family, and they are palm trees. These are some of the materials you're going to need. It's a green paper, um, large plywood circle. I got it from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need also green paint, black paint, the Flintstone sign, it's optional, a picture of the family or the house, a brush, glue sticks, some scissors, a glue gun, and a construction paper, and napkin roll. I really don't know what it's actually called, but now we're just gonna color the whole plywood green, and make sure you get the sides of the plywood because you can actually see it. Now you're gonna let that dry. While that dries, we're gonna start doing the palm tree. Now I'm using construction paper and I cut it in little squares, and I crumble the paper just to give it like a little effect of the palm tree. And I'm gluing the paper to the tube in diamond uh, shape, if you know what I mean. And you glue it just on top of the other. So right now I just pointed to show you that you will start there in the second row between the two papers. So you won't be able to see the two. Just continue doing the same pattern to the bottom of your tube. So now you're just gonna glue the inside of the tube. So whenever you glue the paper, you just tuck it in the corners so it won't look like you left out that corner, if you know what I mean. So now you just glue the bottom of the tube to the plywood, and now we're just gonna start doing the leaves, and those are the leaves from the palm tree. They don't have to be perfect, to be honest guys, because look at the one that I have there, and then look at the one that I'm gonna make, and then look at the third one that I'm gonna have. Like none of them have the same pattern. It doesn't really matter, like trust me, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now we're just gonna start gluing the leaf inside the palm tree, or the tube, and you just glue, like right now I'm showing you guys that I just glue that little section of the leaf, and you just put it inside the tube, and make sure you don't burn yourself, and if you do, it's okay, nothing's gonna happen, not the end of the world. So you're just gonna continue doing that with all three leaves. So this is how it looks. Excuse the background guys, I really didn't think about the background. I mean, it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to start doing gluing the Flintstones sign. You don't have to, it's optional, but I went a little bit extra just in case people didn't know the theme, even though there is a lot of things from the Flintstones besides me and Nico and Anastasia being all dressed up. So now you just I glued the little bottom of the tires of the picture, and that's all. Honestly guys, it's super easy to DIY, and I didn't show you guys, but I even put a little stuffed animal next to it, but I don't have it with me at the moment. But this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, guys, you should totally go check out Nico's new channel. The link will be down below. And please subscribe and support my boo. Bye, guys.